Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Students, today I am going to teach you Standard 5, Moral Science, Chapter 5, The Unusual Project Director. So, students, today I am going to teach you remaining paragraphs of Chapter 5. The person who had taken his children to the exhibition was none other than his project director. Looking at his employee's puzzled look, he said, "You were immensely busy today when I saw you at 5:15 p.m. You looked completely engrossed in your work, and I knew that you would never leave work halfway to fulfill the promise you had made to your children. So I took the initiative of taking your children to the exhibition." In this paragraph, when the scientist saw the person with whom his children went to see the exhibition was none other than he was his project director. When the project director saw his scientist is puzzled. Puzzled means उलझन में है, समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. Then he said, "I saw you are very much busy when I saw you at 5:15 p.m. You were very engrossed doing your work, and I know that you will never leave your work halfway to fulfill the promise you had made to your children. So I took the initiative." Initiative means पहल किया. उन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया of taking your children to the exhibition. So, can you guess the name of this project director? Yes, this man was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India. He was one of the most learned yet the most humble president India has ever had. Some other facts that demonstrate his loyalty, dedication, and patriotism are as follows. So, yes, students, this man was none other than Dr. That man was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India. He was one of the learned men. Learned means बहुत ही ज्ञानी विद्वान व्यक्ति थे. Yet the most, और फिर भी the most humble president. He was most humble. Humble means विनीत, नम्र president India has ever had. Some other facts that demonstrate his loyalty, dedication, and patriotism are as follows. Some other facts that prove his loyalty. Loyalty means निष्ठा. Dedication means समर्पण. And patriotism means देशभक्ति को proof करने वाले some other facts are given below. Dr. Kalam was son of a poor man who rented boats to other fishermen. Yet he became the President of India. Although he was the son of poor man, he worked hard and became the President of India. He gave up all his life savings to an organization called Pura, providing urban amenities to rural areas. He gave up his all savings to एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीन्स संगठन को उन्होंने एक जिसका नाम था पूरा एंड इट्स फुल फॉर्म प्रोवाइडिंग अर्बन एम्यूनिटीज़ टू रूरल एरियाज मीन्स शहरी क्षेत्रों की सुविधाएं ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों को प्रदान किया जाए. His dedication at ISRO led to the launch of India's first satellite SLV-3. India also achieved great heights in space technology. Many nuclear tests were conducted and guided missiles were successfully launched during his tenure. So, through his contribution, India launched his first satellite SLV-3 and he elevated the name of India and also gave a great heights to space technology. And many nuclear tests were conducted in his period and many missiles were successfully launched during his period. उनके समय में बहुत से न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट भी किए गए एंड मिसाइल्स भी लॉन्च किए गए. Many children with no arms or legs were benefited by the 300-gram calipers made by his team. Artificial limbs made with these calipers helped these children to move easily and even run. Caliper means a metal support for person's leg. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कुछ बच्चों के पाँव में कुछ डिफेक्ट होता है तो वे लोग एक आर्टिफिशियल शूज़ पहनते हैं जिसमें एक मेटल लगा होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज कैलिपर. सो मैनी चिल्ड्रन विथ नो आर्म्स और लेग्स वर बेनिफिटेड बाय द 300-gram कैलिपर्स मेड बाय हिज टीम. और वह उन्हीं की टीम के द्वारा बनाया गया था. एंड मैनी चिल्ड्रन वर benefited with this and these calipers help them to move easily and even run also. Dr. Kalam received doctorates from 48 universities which include the University of Edinburgh and the Carnegie Mellon University. So Dr. Kalam did his PhDs from 48 universities which included the University of Edinburgh and the Carnegie Mellon University. Dr. Kalam was an avid reader of books on cosmology and celestial bodies. Avid reader. Avid means read as much as you can. Means वे जितना पढ़ सकते थे वो उतना अधिक से अधिक पढ़ते थे. ब्रह्मांड विज्ञान और खगोलीय पिंडों के बारे में. डॉक्टर कलाम had no property in his name other than his collection of books. डॉक्टर कलाम के पास अपनी कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं थी केवल उनकी बुक्स कलेक्शन को छोड़ करके. The lesson we can learn from APJ Kalam's life are not one but many. So students, we can learn from this chapter whether we are poor or rich like APJ Abdul Kalam, but by working hard we too can do greater things and become great. So we should spend more and more time in studies. So students, today I have taught you these paragraphs. I hope you have understood it and thank you.